few people cook chicken like this, a quick and uncomplicated dinner, which will be ready in less than 30 minutes. I'll start making a few cuts to 3 chicken thighs, this way as I'm doing, but we will only make these cuts on top, with a distance of about 1 centimeter. Once the cuts are made, I will reserve it. In a skillet over medium heat, I will add a little oil. Then, I will add the chicken thighs, side by side. And I'm going to spice it up by adding a little salt, a little garlic powder, a pinch of ground black pepper, and already seasoned. I will let it cook for 5 minutes, on both sides until golden brown, but if necessary, you can leave it longer, until the chicken is well browned on both sides. While the chicken thighs are browning, I'm going to cut an onion into thin slices. Guys, this chicken thigh cooked in this way, they are delicious and are very easy to prepare. I'm sure everyone will like the result. Also, for this recipe we will need 2 tomatoes, which I will cut in half, then I will remove this part, and cut it into small cubes. At this moment I would like to know, from which country or city you look at us, to send you a special greeting in the next recipe. The greeting in today's recipe is for David from Philippines, also for Serap Tamang from India, and Shadab from Pakistan. Thank you for always seeing and enjoying our recipes. When the chicken is golden on one side, I'm going to turn it over and season it again, adding a little salt, a little garlic powder, a pinch of black pepper, and I'll let it cook until golden brown, pretty much on the other side. Once it is golden on both sides, I will add the cut onion that I had reserved, and I will organize it very well, so that it is on the sides. Once organized, I will cover and let cook until the onion is soft. Since the onion is soft, I'm going to add the tomatoes cut into small cubes. And I will do the same procedure that I did with the onion. I will organize them on the sides so that the tomatoes do not stay on top of the chicken. I will cover again and let cook for 5 minutes, or until the tomatoes are cooked. While the tomatoes are cooking, in a bowl I will add 5 eggs. And I'm going to spice it up with a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a pinch of black pepper, and I will beat very well until I break it. Once the tomatoes are cooked, I'm going to add the eggs I just whipped, but the eggs are not going to be added on top of the chicken, we will add it on the sides, in this way as I am doing. If you have come this far seeing today's recipe, that means that you are liking this recipe, so leave us here below the following message: I love the chicken thigh, to send you a very special greeting. Once this is done, I will cover again and let it cook until the eggs are cooked. Once the eggs are cooked, our recipe is almost ready. I'm going to add a little chopped parsley, but this is optional. And ready, and our chicken thigh in a different way, are ready. Look how delicious they have been. I would like you to rate this recipe, from 0 to 10, to know if you liked the result. Thank you for watching this recipe until the end. I hope you liked the result. Tell me if it's the first time you see one of my recipes. And if so, don't forget to subscribe on YouTube as Recipes Oni, and activate the bell so you can always receive our recipes. A hug and see you in the next recipe.